Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair. Basically, I'm working as a software delivery head, and now basically we are going to talk about few more things of ban. Basically, software company how they do the bans. Basically, how basically government is involved in this. That basically we are going to see. Basically, uh, if I say that basically few government employees they can handle it to 9,000 companies, private software companies at a time, then it would be 100% correct. Yes, it would be 100% correct. By issuing few laws, few rules and regulation, few sections basically of the government, by the law, and by be approved by the high courts and supreme courts. Like this, basically, set of private companies can be created, and for example 8 to 9,000 private company can be created like this with the help of high courts and supreme courts basically. Like this, basically, set of software companies are created, and which is getting handled by the private software companies, oh sorry, by the government people. Like this, basically, this is the main important part of the, basically you can say, the ban basically. Like this, basically government is handling entire, so basically that the person who has done the ban, he just need to connect with that government person, few government people, and like this, basically he's banned from 8,000 software companies. So basically if he will do apply, if he applies for a software company, if he applies through Naukri.com, if he apply for job from Monster.com, from Times of India, there are less than 8,000 companies basically. There are maximum two to four no, thousand companies basically are registered in Naukri.com and Monster and Times of India, like this basically. But it's a 8,000 private company. So like this, basically, he was banned in 8,000 private company with the help of that human resource person who have a connection in this of in the government, basically with the government, who basically has registered this 8,000 private company. So basically, this was also one of the part basically which that human resource person was telling that I have banned this person. Basically, this is actually not a concern about the ban. Basically, this is about the ego of that human resource and the set of software companies. Basically, they says that we have already banned him, so we are not going to give him in job. So for that, basically, they have reached to Dubai government also. So just see basically up to what level basically the ego is of this private people, so this of human resource group people, and the few software company people basically. But yeah, I'm not telling about the entire India software company are like this, entire human resource of India countries like this. I am not talking about like that. It's a few groups, they are telling that we are union and we are one, and entire human resource of India is not one. If the entire India human resource will become one, then they basically in future this might create very big issue. Basically big means very big issue. So we are talking about that 8,000 private software company which was registered by the government employees, few set of government employees, and to create this 8,000 private company, they have issued few laws, few sections with the help of Supreme Courts and High Courts, basically. Like this, basically, from few laws, basically, they were controlling few this 8,000 software companies. Now, basically, we are going to talk about few more things about the ban that connects. I have already taken one example of 500 dirham, which was issued by the Dubai government to that person. And just see the human resource people know that this 500 dirham was issued by the Dubai government to that particular person. So the human resource know up to this level that they 500 rupees, 500 dirham was issued to this particular person. So just see the connection of the each and every departments. Here basically it's a human resource department is knowing about one person. It's basically data science project basically you can say. It's mostly basically you can say that data science project basically might have started from this person basically. If I say no, basically this is one of the project of data science also you can say that one person ka data science basically you can say like this basically data science project are getting more and more famous basically union of one person and entire history of one person basically we can say. So like this basically human resource people knows about the currencies which is getting issued for this person. They know about the passport information of the particular person. They know the PAN card information of the particular person. They know the Aadhaar card information of this particular person. Like this basically they know each and everything of this particular person. Now basically about few points about the ban. Basically for example if I will say to create one text box, it has text box which basically gets display in web browser that has taken 20 lakh crore rupees or some other currencies. Then basically can anyone believe this? No, basically, but in real basically this much amount has been taken to create the one text box basically. So just imagine up to what level this text box is, and up to what level if this text box has taken this 20 lakh crore rupees or some other currencies, then you can just imagine up to what level the user controls in software industry exist. So this all control exists. Reason this all controls exist currently. So basically, text box has taken 20 lakh crore amount to create basically. So just imagine how much amount the combo box might have taken, the check boxes might have taken, the review button might have taken, the push button might have taken, the reset button might have taken, the submit button might have taken, the form basically might have taken. So basically, one text box to create just one normal text box, it has taken 20 lakh crore basically. 20 lakh crore. It's not a small amount basically. It's a 20 lakh crore, not 1 or 2 lakh. It's a 20 lakh and crore. It's not 10 lakh crore. It's not 20. It's not 15 lakh crore. It's a 20 lakhs and crore. So basically, you can say this much amount has been invested to just create one text box basically. So combo box to invest the in combo box to create one combo box, it might have taken lots of money basically, more money basically you can say basically. So this is also one of the part of ban. In next part, basically we are going to see more things about the software company, how they do the bans, and up to what level the information are getting gathered of one particular person. So basically, this is Sunilar. We are going to take off. We are going to see some other videos related to the ban.